Now, the likes of Senna Summerbell and Fraser McConnell tested their skills in karting recently as they look to stay sharp ahead of upcoming assignments in various genres of motorsport for the rest of the season. As we'll hear in this report, all classes of karting were also in action throughout the duration of the Caribbean Junior Championships held recently at the Palisados Raceway. Jamaica's reigning circuit racing champion, Senna Summerbell, showed his versatility as he hopped back into a kart to keep himself sharp at the recent Jamaica Karting Association Series. Summerbell joined Fraser McConnell in competing in the senior race during the meet and displayed all his skills in winning all three races. Zachary Lee was second in all three races, while McConnell had 2 podium finishes, ending third in races 2 and 3.
Just the physicality of getting in a go-kart and driving it, I mean, it mentally prepares you for when you have to go back on the real circuit, you know, with the cars, and it's even better. Right now I'm so tired. This thing gives you a workout like anything. It's amazing. So this is where all the best drivers in Jamaica are from, the go-kart track, and it's always good to come back here and kind of build on your roots, you know.
McConnell says he didn't mind getting back to where it all began.
Here out at the Palisados racetrack, ready to have some fun in the go-kart, sharpen up the skills, but more importantly, just bring it back to the grassroots and have a good day.
There were mixed results in the Minimax class, but Paul Patterson was on the podium in all 3 races. Patterson won race 1, with Brandon Shore winning race 2 and David Brown taking race 3. Shore explained that he had issues in race 1, but says races 2 and 3 were in distinct contrast.
On the second race, I won because although my engine lagged still and I was at the back of the pack, I battled my way through and got up to first place. The last race was like odd because I was leading the race and then suddenly my driver fairing popped up. So I had to go and push it down again, and it happened a second time 2 laps later. So they black flagged me.
In Micromax, Trinidad's Axel Garcia was on the podium in all 3 races, taking race 1 and ending third in race 2 and second in race 3. He says he took advantage of a collision in race 1 to finish top of the podium.
Well, I qualified second, and then someone crashed into another person, and that got me up into first place.
Dylan Smith, Anthony Hogarth, Caden Van Veek de Vries and Kai Beecher were the other podium finishers in the class.
I had to work hard for it, and I had to concentrate on the track.
Benjamin Green was dominant in the 50cc class, winning all 3 races, with Audley Thompson and Peter Wilson also finishing on the podium. And in the Super Rotax class, it was the familiar faces of David Power, Michael Paisley and Charles Fong Yi who shared the spoils.